Who wrote the world's most famous love tragedy, Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson, John Milton. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. Statistically, which dog breed has the highest number of fatal attacks recorded? Labrador Retriever, Pit Bull, Rottweiler, German Shepherd. The correct answer is Pit Bull. Which vertebrate species has the longest scientifically documented lifespan? Elephant, blue whale, bowhead whale, tortoise. The correct answer is bowhead whale. During the 1920s, what was the common term for someone who made or sold alcohol illegally? Moonshiner, bootlegger, speakeasy, brewer. The correct answer is bootlegger. Who was the first emperor of ancient Rome? Julius Caesar, Augustus, Nero, Tiberius. The correct answer is Augustus. What is the medical instrument used to look inside the ear called? Endoscope, otoscope, periscope, stethoscope. The correct answer is otoscope. Which type of clouds appear fluffy and are commonly seen during clear, sunny days? Stratus, cumulonimbus, cumulus, cirrus. The correct answer is cumulus. Which natural disaster is measured using the Richter scale? Tornado, earthquake, flood, hurricane. The correct answer is earthquake. Which planet in our solar system is famous for its rings? Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. The correct answer is Saturn. Which vitamin is naturally produced when human skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B12. The correct answer is vitamin D. What process allows green plants to produce their own food using sunlight? Transpiration, respiration, photosynthesis, fermentation. The correct answer is photosynthesis. What do we call the scientific study of fungi? Botany, zoology, mycology, ecology. The correct answer is mycology. What do we call the bending of light as it moves around a barrier? Reflection, diffraction, refraction, absorption. The correct answer is diffraction. In chemistry, the term pH refers to what? Pure hydrogen, partial hardness, potential of hydrogen, percentage of hydroxide. The correct answer is potential of hydrogen. Which moon is the largest in our solar system? Titan, Ganymede, Europa, Callisto. The correct answer is Ganymede.